welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another Flashback Friday where I go through my makeup collection and dust off an old palette and do a tutorial. So you guys voted for the Naturale Cosmetics Matte for Matte eyeshadow palette in the shade Jewel Pop, and here she is in all her glory. Really colorful, fun palette, and I really wanted to try to use as many colors as possible, so we went all out. We went all out for this look and I'm really loving it. I'm not gonna lie, this did take a hot minute to do. I did a poll on the community tab and a lot of you wanted to see drugstore eyeshadow palettes for this week's Flashback Friday. So if you guys want to do more, you want to see more of these videos, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and of course make sure you follow me so you can vote. And maybe I'll do voting differently and just do it on the community tab and do like the poll thing, because it might just be easier, because it's a little time consuming to add up all the different votes, because there was quite a bit for this one. So thank you guys who voted for this palette right here. I'm super excited. Oh yeah, let's play with some color. Alright guys, let's get started. I already primed my eyes with the Essence eyeshadow primer and set that with some powder. And we're going to start off by taking the bright orange shade from this beautiful palette from e.l.f. And I'm going to take this on a fluffy blending brush and start working this in the crease and slowly building this shade up because it is very pigmented. These are very pigmented shadows, so I like to start off with a little bit of eyeshadow and then slowly add more and more and just blending in circular motions through the crease. And now we're going to take this really pretty, almost like a fuchsia color, so it's a little bit purple, a little bit pink, and I'm going to take this on a smaller, more dense blending brush and start adding this to the crease and darkening that up. I want to have a nice gradient effect between these three shades on the lid, and I'm just slowly building them up just like I did the other shade, just really making sure to blend that really well and deepen up that crease. And then I'm just going to go back and forth between the orange shade and again really blend that on the outer edges, and of course just going back and forth until I get the desired look. And now for the lid, I'm taking the purple shade from this palette, which is one of my favorites. I'm just going to start packing this all over the lid, so right where that blank space is. And I really love the combination of these three colors kind of like fading into each other. It almost kind of looks like a sunset. So I'm just patting this on, and then I'm going to take my brush and go back in with that other color that we put in the crease and just really work that into the purple. And again, I just went back and forth because the purple did fade on the lid. So I'm just going back and forth with the purple shade, packing that on, and then blending the crease one more time. Alright, so I am going to take the matte nude shade in the palette and just kind of highlight the brow bone and also sort of tone down the orange and make sure it's not going too high up into the brow area. And then now for the lower lash line, I wanted to use the green shade, so I'm just taking the green shade and we're going to pack this all along the lower lash line. And I really love the contrast between like the purple and then the green on the lower lash line. It looks really pretty. And then I'm taking the blue shade and I'm just taking this on a really tiny pencil brush and just blending the very edges of the green out, just to try to add a little bit of blue into the look. For the waterline, I'm just going to use a nude pencil to make my eyes look nice and bright. And since there is no highlighter or bright shimmery shade to highlight the inner corner, I'm taking my Dragon Child palette and taking that beautiful golden yellow shade called Firefly and highlighting the inner corner. I think the yellow, that pop of yellow on the inner corner was just perfect. I went off camera and did my lashes and liquid liner. And lashes, I will be doing some falsies. These are new. And I usually like to let my mascara dry first and then do the lips. So for the lips, I'm using these two new products that I'm testing out. So this is just a lip liner in Faded and liquid lipstick in Faded from the AUA Studio line. And I really love this. It's definitely that kind of grayish nude shade, which I definitely like doing a nude lip with very bright eyeshadow. And then last minute I decided to top it off with my e.l.f. plumping lip gloss in Peach Bellini. This is my new favorite gloss. So that is it, you guys. That completes this look. I did go ahead and throw on those lashes, and that is it. I love this palette. I really like how this look turned out. Alright guys, that completes this Flashback Friday tutorial using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Jewel Pop palette. I really love this formula from e.l.f. Cosmetics. They're just really nice, they're really easy to work with. Of course, doing a really colorful look and using so many colors together. I mean, this did take me some time, you know. This doesn't take like 10 minutes. This is not a 10-minute look. This is more like a 25-minute look or more. So, but definitely these eyeshadows are really nice to work with. And if this is like too bright for you, one of my favorite ways to use an eyeshadow palette like this is to put a couple, you can even take like that brown shade and put that in the crease and do like a pop of color. Just like pick one bright color from the palette and either put that on the center of the lid or the lower lash line and do it that way, because sometimes I know it can be overwhelming using a bunch of colors together. But I really love how this look turned out. I was trying to incorporate as many colors as possible without it looking too crazy, but I kind of feel like a peacock. It kind of reminds me of like a peacock. I really like it. So I hope you guys like this look. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you are new here, I post on every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sundays every single week. Make sure to turn on that notification bell so you won't miss out. And of course, if you guys want to watch some more Flashback Friday tutorials, I'll link the playlist below, as well as everything that I'm wearing. If you guys want to see more Flashback Fridays, definitely leave a comment below, we can chat, and I definitely will do more of these videos, because I think it's great pulling out, you know, maybe not super old eyeshadow palettes, but definitely pulling eyeshadow palettes out of my collection that I need to show some love, and I just want to rotate everything and try to give everything a little bit of love and get some use out of them, because I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. So that is everything, you guys. I will catch you all in the next video. Remember, Smarty Beauty is better beauty. Bye!